The most important thing we bring into combat with us is a reason why.
Is your why. It's like your mission statement,
And
it's
that
like
translates into what you do today.
exactly. Exactly.
Like there's no greater feeling for me. Like we just had a transaction together.
Yep.
And we turned it into a joke,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because it's a Marine, an Army guy, help
the
the Navy
Navy.
guy
Yeah.
get out, and it was awesome. It was a great feeling. And like the
was.
backstory behind that, which you didn't even know because I shielded you all from it, is it was difficult to get them approved.
Right.
Because they've had some credit oopsies and, we had to prove some things. And it wasn't just one of those quick, here it is.
Right.
It was like a 2 or 3 week process before I could get them over to you.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, see, I didn't even know that.
Exactly.
I mean,
but this transaction was super smooth.
it was. I didn't even know it was.
Yeah.
It was.
It's
behind the scenes.
We got ahead of it. Right, and that's the thing with specialists.
Yep.
We know what's down that road and what is an IED and what's not.
Yep.
And we can navigate us around it.
Sure.
So we got ahead of it. We took care of it. So when it came over to you, pre-approved, no doubt.
Yeah, for sure.
If this deal falls apart, not on me, man.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and it's definitely not going to be on me, obviously. But
it's gonna be on the property.
Yeah, it's got to be the property. But you're gonna cross your T's and dot your I's. And I'm gonna make sure that they're gonna get into a house that's safe, that's sound. It's perfect for them, whether it's gonna be our first home or forever home. Which is what I like to tell a lot of my buyers, veteran or not, when they walk through a house, especially being first time home buyers, they're in a wow factor.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, it's beautiful. Oh,
they don't see the things that we see.
Exactly. So, Christina and I, while we're going through the house, we're checking everything. We're checking safety issues. We're checking
crack, peeling paint,
peeling
outlet
paint,
covers, all that stuff.
Bowing floors, the whole 9 yards.
Because if you can get ahead of that, it could be a part of either your offer,
exactly,
or we can get ahead of the repairs because the VA appraisal is so much harder and longer.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not.
It's 100% not. If we know about that,
if we have a heads up, we can do something about it. Exactly.
And just getting ahead of it is the key, and that's what sets us apart.
Yep. My squad leader had instilled something in me when he told me this, Sergeant Swire. A good preparation makes for a great execution.
Yeah.
So being prepared, in this, you can use that in any part of life.
Correct.
Being prepared or being ready, your execution is going to be phenomenal. Correct. So getting ahead of everything, as we're walking through the houses, it's okay, they're in the wow factor. Oh, we want to put an offer on it. I wouldn't.
Here's why.
Foundation issues, this and that. It's going to cost money. You're going to be. It's the money pit. Unless they are willing. And that's my job. Our job to negotiate.
Correct.
Because I don't want you calling me 6 months from now and being dissatisfied or unhappy.